Let's give it a run. Okay, so we have, let me see, can I zoom out of this a little bit? All right, so this says, oh, it's super zoomed in. It says chat with our assistant. Let's see, so let's say good morning. What? Let's see. Tell me something. You know what? You guys probably can't. You know, hold on one second. You guys might not be able to hear it because I'm not sharing my audio. Let me share my audio so you guys can be able to hear what is happening. So yeah, all this time you guys weren't able to hear. So let me show you this real quick. Let's go back to. Let me show you these real quick.
Well, hello, Rock the Scrubs, Roxy. How are you doing this fine, lovely morning?
Heard that? You heard that? So now over here, tell me cool things to do in Buffalo, New York. Or I should ask instead, are there any cool things? Are there any cool things to do in Buffalo, New York?
I'm not sure, but I can look into it and get back to you with some recommendations.
What about Las Vegas?
I'm not sure about specific activities in Las Vegas, but I can find some popular attractions and things to do for you.
What are some popular attractions there?
I will look into the popular attractions in Las Vegas and get back to you shortly.
Do you know anything about anywhere? What about St. Louis?
I can look up popular attractions in St. Louis and get back to you with
You don't
some
know anything.
suggestions.
You don't know anything. All right, let's see what else we got. What are we supposed to be looking for though? Okay, so because it worked, you have the audio, but it doesn't tell us anything. All right, let's so exercise in business application. Add in more tools, perhaps to simulate actual booking a flight. A student has done this and provided their example in the community contribution folder. Next, take this and apply it to your business. Make a multimodal AI assistant with tools that could carry out an activity for your work. A customer support assistant, new employee onboarding assistant. So many possibilities. Also, see week 2 of the end of week exercise. Exercise in a separate notebook. All right. I don't want to. All right, so I want to change this up a little bit. I'm going to change it up. So we're going to do this. We're going to say copy cell. And we're going to say paste cell below. Below something, I guess. All right, so, all right, there it goes. Is that? Hold on. Let's go here. Here. Copy cell. Paste cell. All right, so what I want to do is I want to change the system message to Let's go system message, and let's say you are a world class and famous travel blogger who knows all the cool spots in the world, but especially unknown gems of the greatest country in the world, the United States of the Americas. All right, that's our system prompt. And I don't I don't want to do that. So we have an image that can be generated. We have the reply. I don't want to use, let me try this. I don't really want to use the tools because the tools are weird. Let me try this one. And let's try this. And let's say, tell me something about, give me a city. Give me a city. Tell me something about Long Island, New York. Okay, that's taking a long time. Something's not right. All right, let me stop that. So
Long Island, New York, is a unique and diverse destination known for its beautiful beaches, charming towns, and rich history. Here are some highlights. 1. Beaches. Long Island boasts some of the most stunning beaches in the United States, including Jones Beach, Fire Island, and Montauk Point. These destinations are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. 2. Wine country. The North Fork of Long Island is renowned for its vineyards and wineries. It's a great place to take wine tours, enjoy tastings, and savor the local cuisine in farm-to-table restaurants. 3. Historic sites. Long Island has a rich history with sites like the Montauk Point Lighthouse, one of the oldest lighthouses in the U.S., and Sagamore Hill, the former home of President Theodore Roosevelt. 4. Cultural attractions. The island is home to several museums, theaters, and galleries, including the Long Island Museum of American Art, History, and Carriages and the Nassau County Museum of Art. Number 5. Beautiful towns. Explore charming towns like Port Jefferson, with its picturesque harbor, shopping, and dining options, or the upscale village of Southampton, known for its stunning homes and upscale stores. 6. Outdoor activities. Beyond the beaches, Long Island offers extensive parks, hiking trails, and nature reserves. The Fire Island National Seashore is a popular spot for hiking and birdwatching. 7. Vibrant nightlife. Long Island offers a variety of entertainment options, from lively bars and clubs to comedy shows and live music venues. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach getaway, a fun family trip, or an exploration of culture and history, Long Island has something to offer everyone.
I think it's done. I think it's done. I was like, I don't know how to shut it up, but it worked. It just took some time. All right, so that's cool. That is cool. Let's see. Roxy liked the the talk to speech said. William says it lies. Jones Beach is nasty. Did you? Wait a minute. This is the difference I see between AI and humans. While humans look for the worst in us, AI is always amplifying the best in us or any particular situation, right? It could be like the worst situation, and AI would say, "Yeah." So it's like let's say the Knicks, right? They get blown out, and you say, "Oh, how?" Like, so you ask AI, how the Knicks do?" Like, they'll say, "You know what? But they did have that 30-second stretch in the second quarter where they played an amazing defense, because it will always look for the best thing to highlight in a situation." So that's one thing that I noticed about AI. It is always positive, right? So that's one thing.
People watch as the clock ticks by, but I'm the storm in the endless sky. I'll climb the mountain, no matter the slope. Fueled by hunger, fueled by hope.
They sit and watch as the clock just spins, but I'm out here chasing where it begins. I don't need luck, I don't need a sign, just a fire in my soul and a dream that's mine.
All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the sky.
I'm betting it all, no second glance. Got fire in my soul, I'll take the chance. No time for sitting, no time to stall. The world is spinning, I'll have it all.
They say the world just turns and waits, but I've got no time for those debates. The fire in my chest, it burns so bright. I'll take the dark and turn it to light. All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the sky. No retreat, no looking back. I'll carve my name on this beaten track. They'll say I dream too wild, too bold, but I'll write my story in lines of gold.
All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the skies. Touch the skies. No fear in losing, no time to doubt. Every whisper, I'll drown it out. I'll rise higher with every stride. The flame of passion, my own